Welcome! Thank you so much for securing your copy of Video Overplay. Now I know you're very excited to download your plugin, but before you start using Video Overplay and all of its awesome features on your next blog post, I wanted to show you how to make this even easier by removing 99% of the grunt work of running your blog. Now all you need is a few keywords. For example, motivation, book review, you can pick it, it's your blog. Now with Video Overload, you simply put in your keywords, you set the frequency that you'd like it to post, and then you choose which overplay feature you would like it to use. And that's it. Now Video Overload will go into action, posting high-ranking videos on your blog with buttons, social sharing prompts, opt-in forms, and more, all automatically. But wait, there's more. Not only will it post them, you can split test them, you can get embed code, so you can place these power-packed videos on any site you like, and a whole bunch more. So keep watching this walkthrough video to see what Video Overload can do for you.
Alright, so here I am inside of the Video Overload dashboard, and I'm just going to quickly run through it, show you all the different features that we have, and all the cool things that we can do with this plugin. So here I am right now in the settings. We have our, our generic settings to enable, disable the plugin, a few other settings, including setting up Google Analytics. If I jump over here to the content section, this is where we're going to set up our YouTube API so the plugin can go out there and it can pull videos on behalf of us and post them on our blog. We have the option to set up which keywords we want to focus on, if we want to include the comments on our blog post, if we want the software to create tags for us automatically. And we can also choose to bring the video thumbnail over and use it as a featured image and things like that. And if I jump over here to the social media auto posting, we have the option to auto post our new blog post to our Facebook and to our Twitter. So that's pretty cool. Let me go ahead and jump over here to the Overload Manager and show you exactly what it looks like when we are setting up a brand new video overload. So the first thing is to give it a name. So I can call this test number 1. Then I'm going to click on next. And then we need to set up what type of YouTube videos we want to post to our WordPress blog. So I can enable this. I can choose which keyword I want to focus on, which we entered into the settings that I just went over. So how to yoga. We can choose which category we want to pull the videos from. And then we can customize the search criteria. How would we like to order our videos? By relevance, view count, rating, date published, title. We can turn on our save search if we want to. We can pull our videos from individual channels instead of searching broad across entire YouTube. We can choose which country to pull videos from, the video length, and the license type. I'm going to hit next again, and then we have the post status. Do we want our posts to be automatically published, or do we want them to go into draft status first? Then we choose which category to put these posts in when they get auto posted to our blog. Hit next one more time, and then we got to choose which overplay setting do we want to apply to each video that gets auto posted using this software. So I'll choose my CTA buttons because I want my CTA buttons to be applied to every single video that gets auto posted using these settings. Then I'm going to click on next, and now we need to set up the overload settings themselves. How many posts do we want to create? Create between 1 and how many posts every blank hours. So I want them to create between 1 and 5 posts every 3 hours, okay? And then we can stop this after so many posts get made, okay? So after 25 posts, I want them to stop running with these settings. After that, we'll have some performance stats here once this software gets running. And then below that, we have some help options if the cron job is not working properly. Then we just click on finish, and the software is going to go out and they're going to start auto posting those videos for us using all the different settings that we just set up. We also have the option to set up split testing using Video Overload. So I can give this a name really quick. So I can call this test split. I'm going to click on next. Then we can choose to enable this, and I can select 2 different overplays that I want to split test against each other and see which one is converting the best. So I can choose my HTML banners, and I can choose my funnels and see which one is receiving more action compared to the other one. I can choose to auto insert this split test across my videos if I wanted to. I can choose how many days I want this split test to run, so I can choose 4 days, for example. I can choose to have the results emailed to me, which I do want that. And then I have to choose which goal I want to base it on when choosing a winner. So based on what I select here, that's what the software is going to use when they determine which split test is the clear winner. So if I choose add banner click, for example, and both of my overplays were showing different HTML banners, I would be able to see which one gets the most clicks, and whichever one gets the most clicks would be the winner, and the plugin would choose that as my winner. Once you have that set up, just click on finish, and your split test will start running based on the settings that you just chose. Last but not least, we have standalone scripts. If you have a website that does not have WordPress, if you would like to use your video overplay on an HTML website, some third-party website, or if you want someone else to be able to use your overplay on their website, we can simply just select which overplay we would like to share, click on finish, and that's going to give us a script, an iframe script, that we can use on third-party websites, blogs, HTML websites, or give to someone else and let them use it on their website without the need for WordPress or without having to have the overplay plugin itself.